Hi, everybody. Today is Monday, March 8th. This is the homework. For the homework, listen to the story and write some sentences. Okay? Are you ready? So listen to the story. Okay. This story is about Linda. Linda has 2 children, a daughter and a son. Her children are 16 and 19 years old. Linda is very busy. She works at a supermarket. She works 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. Linda usually starts work at 9 a.m. She usually finishes work at 4 p.m. But one day in the week is different. On Monday, she starts work at 1 p.m. and finishes work at 8 p.m. Okay? You can stop now and listen again. Or let's look at the answers, the sentences. Can you copy and complete the sentences? Right, this is homework. Copy and complete. 1. Her name is... Do you know? Write the answer. Her name is Linda. Yeah. So number 1, her name is Linda. Okay. Number 2, she usually starts work at... So copy. She usually starts work at... Do you remember? She usually starts work at... Write the answer. I won't tell you. Right? You can listen. Okay, listen. This story is about Linda. Linda has 2 children, a daughter and a son. Her children are 16 and 19 years old. Linda is very busy. She works at a supermarket. She works 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. Linda usually starts work at 9 a.m. She usually finishes work at 4 p.m. But one day in the week is different. On Monday, she starts work at 1 p.m. and she finishes work at 8 p.m. So she usually starts work at... Write it down. And what is number 3? She usually finishes work at... Right? Write the answers. Do you know? What time does she start work? What time does she usually finish work? And number 4. She wants to go to yoga class on... Okay? So listen again. Linda wants to exercise more. She wants to go to a yoga class, but she is very busy. She looks at the yoga class schedule. She is very happy because she can go to yoga class on Mondays. Linda wants to go to yoga class on Mondays. She opens the yoga website on her phone and she signs up for a class. Can you answer the last two questions? Oops. Sorry. Oops, right? Oops, small mistake. She wants to go to yoga class on what day? Can you write it? And 5. She can go to the yoga class from because on Monday she starts work at this time. Right? Look at the classes here. Which class can she go to? On Monday. Right? She works on Monday from 1 until 8 p.m. So can you answer the questions? 4 and 5. Okay? Write all of your answers. Watch the video again if you need to listen again. Alright? Good luck.